Today we're gonna be reviewing the KALOS box wireless adapter. This is what comes in the box. The manual, how to do it, how to install it, a QR code to get it digitally, the tutorials how to do it. This is the adapter and makes your wire connection wireless for your Carplay. USB-C to USB. USB-C is for the adapter, and then this goes to your car. Has another one just in case your car has a USB-C by a USB-C. That's all it brings. So what this does is connects to your car, and if you're to use CarPlay, if you have to plug your phone to use it, this eliminates that and it connects wirelessly. So it's more convenient. You don't have a lot of cables. You just have this little device. You can talk it in anywhere that it's not visible, and it will connect like factory if people can't see it. So let's take it to the car and see how easy it is to install it and how easy it works. All right, guys. So we are inside the car. We're gonna try the dongle. It's here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll fix it. You just connect to your USB port or your USB-C. Sorry if I miss. And then it will turn on. You see the red light in there. And it should pop up on the screen. Just pop up. And then you have to go get the app on the App Store and connect the dongle to your app. And then it will appear on your Bluetooth connections, because we did it already. It's already in there. It's right there. And then you just connect to it. It's seamless. It connects so fast. Once you set it up, as soon as you get in the car, it will connect to it. It's connecting right now. And it's there. Look, it's seamless. You just connect it, recognize it, download the app, and then you're ready to go. There's no problems at all. Can you make a phone call?
Siri?
Mm-hmm.
Call mom on speaker.
Calling mom on speaker.
And that's with the dongle. There's the connection. Car has a wire connection, and as you can see, there's no other wire but the dongle. So it's completely wireless now. So I didn't think it was gonna be this easy, but it is. So I really recommend it. So if you're looking for a way to get rid of all the cables and go wireless, this is your product right here. So get one. Thank you.